Hello everyone, welcome to AKP's Tech Bytes. Let's start our D6 Linux journey, and today I'm going to explore some of the basic Linux commands. Those are useful in our day-to-day work. Before executing any command, let's open the home directory. Now in the terminal, type pwd to check the current working directory, and here it's AKP's Tech Bytes. So right now we are in the same directory. Let's create a new directory with the command mkdir, and here the directory name is akp1. Now akp1 successfully created. akp1 successfully created. Let's move to the akp1. akp1 directory is empty. It's time to create a new file inside the akp1. For that, I'm going to use nano. To save the file and exit from the editor, we need to press Ctrl A. Here you can modify the file name. If you don't want to modify the file name, just hit enter. Now we are again back into the terminal. Next, I want to copy the newly created file text into another one. For that, the command is cp. A file new.txt successfully created inside akp1. Now it's time to verify the content of new.txt, and here it's AKP's Tech Bytes. That means the process is successful. Now we can also verify the content of the file new.txt inside the terminal also. For that, we need to use the cat command, and the syntax is cat and file name. And here it is. Later we will explore the cat command in details. The file creation is complete. Next we need to delete the files. For that we can use the command rm, and after that the file name. So here I'm going to remove the file text. Now you can see the text file is not available right now. It's deleted from the system. Here I'm going to create another directory. It's fine, and akp2 is right now available inside akp1. We know how to delete a file, right? But how to delete a directory? For that, let's use the command rmdir, and after that the directory name. Here I'm going to use the directory name akp2 to verify the utility of rmdir, and here the akp2 directory is right now not available inside akp1. Now using the command cd ..., we can move one directory up. So right now we are in the AKP's Tech Bytes. So let's delete the directory akp1. For that we are going to use the same command, right? rmdir. The command rmdir failed to delete the directory akp1. So what is the reason? The reason is directory not empty. That means with the help of rmdir we can delete only empty directories. To delete non-empty directories, we need to use the command rm. After that hyphen and r. Next, the directory name. Yes, here akp1 successfully deleted from the system, and at the right hand side you can also check it, right? So no akp1 is available. So inside akp there is no new folder available, right? So that's the utility of rm command. New.txt is not available inside the akp directory, so we have to find out our current working directory. For that, let's use the command pwd. So right now we are in the AKP's Tech Bytes. So we need to use the command cd, and after that ..., to move one directory up. Now we have to check if new.txt is available or not. Yes, it's available. Now I'm going to rename the file new.txt into a new file name, and for that the command is mv. So you can see the file name changed from new to old. mv is a multi-purpose command. With the help of mv, we can also move the file from one directory to another directory. So here I am going to move the old.txt file into the directory akp. You can see the file old.txt is not available right now in akp's text. Let's go to the akp directory. Here the old.txt is available. That means we have successfully moved the file from our previous directory into the directory akp. Now I have created two files, one os.txt and here the content is Linux. Next os1.txt and here the content is Windows. Now I am going to copy the content of os.txt into os1. So for that, let's use cp command. Now it's time to guess the content of os1. It's Linux, Windows or both. Let's find out. Now here the content is Linux. The cp command will overwrite the destination file with the content of source file. That's why here in the os1 file the content Windows overwrite by the content Linux. That's it. So be careful while copying the content of one file into another one. Right now I have three files in the akp directory. So let's verify the content of all the three files. First, in the old.txt file we have hello everyone. Next, os.txt, it's Linux, and os1.txt also the content is Linux. If you use cat command, it's going to display the content of the file. For example, cat old.txt. Here I am going to use this redirection operator and next hit enter. Now nothing is available in the display. Do you want to verify the content of os1.txt? Let's do it. For that, again I am going to use the command cat. But before that, let's go to the akp directory and open os1.txt, and here it's hello everyone and Linux. Like mv, cat is also multi-purpose command. Here with the help of cat we can also create new files. Next, Ctrl C. Let's verify if the content is available inside the new.txt file. Now new.txt file is available here, but there is no content. Okay, so what is the problem here? The previous command is not successful. Right now I am going to create another file with the help of cat command. Now let's type something. After writing the content, press Ctrl D. Now it's time to check the content of the new file new1.txt, and here the content is available akp's text. Here I have used Ctrl C after writing the content, but in the previous experiment I have used Ctrl D. So there is a difference between Ctrl C and Ctrl D. Later we will explore this part. The next command I am going to explore is grep. Now what is the utility? It's for searching. So right now I'm going to search Linux in my file os1.txt. So let's hit enter. Now Linux is available here. So with the help of grep command you can search in your Linux system, right? Next, find out the main akp if it's available inside the os1 or not. No, it's not available. Now there are various options available with the grep command. Those you can use for better searching. let's explore the grep command with the help of man command. Now, these are the options. Those are available for grep command. So you can explore all these options for better searching. Now, I'm going to use the Q to quit from the manual entry. Then, what is the content? Hello everyone. So let's open the file os1.txt. Now, in the first line, we have hello everyone. So you can access the first line with the command head. Next, I'm going to use another command tail, and the option is same, hit enter. Now here the content is Linux. So with the help of head and tail, you can access the content of the file from the beginning and from the end. So these are the utilities we can use to manipulate files in Linux. With this, I'm going to wrap up today's Linux journey. Have a nice day. Thank you.